Adidas has been designing the official FIFA World Cup match balls since 1970. But our question is, what does mathematics say about these designs? To begin, we need to understand the 5 Platonic solids: the tetrahedron, the hexahedron or the cube, the octahedron, the dodecahedron, and the icosahedron. Each of these solids has congruent regular polygonal faces with the same number of faces meeting at its vertex. The cube, for example, has 6 square faces with 3 faces meeting at its vertex, whereas the icosahedron has 20 triangular faces with 5 faces meeting at its vertex. Each World Cup match balls are based on one of these Platonic solids, Telstar, that was introduced in the 1970 FIFA World Cup. The 32-panel ball with 12 black pentagons and 20 hexagons is one of the most iconic football of all time. But how is the Telstar made from a Platonic solid? Start with an icosahedron cut off the 12 vertices such that 1/3 of each edge is cut off at each of the both ends. This creates 12 new pentagonal faces and leaves the original 20 triangular faces as regular hexagons. The polyhedron we have obtained is also called the truncated icosahedron. Inflating it up produces the Telstar. Look at the next 8 World Cup match balls: the Telstar Doulas, the Tango Hispana, the Azteca, the Historico Unico, the Kestra, the Tricolor, and the Fever Nova. Although they have various printed patterns, the physical panel with 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons is the same as the 1970 Telstar. Adidas introduced the Teamgeist in the 2006 FIFA World Cup in Germany. The ball had just 14 curved panels, 6 dumbbell shafts, and 8 propeller shafts. Unlike the Telstar, the Teamgeist panels are thermally bonded rather than stitched together, and this is the first time Adidas has used the thermally bonding technology. How is the Teamgeist made from a Platonic solid? Start with an octahedron. Like before, cut off the 6 vertices to produce the truncated octahedron with 8 regular hexagons and 6 squares. Identify each squares with a dumbbell shaped panel and each hexagons with the propeller shaped panels, then reshaping the panels and inflating it up produces the Teamgeist. In 2010 FIFA World Cup, Adidas introduced the Jabulani, which was made up of just 8 panels, 4 round panels, and 4 propeller shafts. For its design, start with the tetrahedron and truncated the 4 vertices to produce 4 triangular faces and 4 hexagonal faces. Identify each triangles with the ovals and the hexagons with the propellers, then reshaping the panels and inflating it up produces the Jabulani. Adidas introduced the Brazuca in the 2014 FIFA World Cup, which was held in Brazil. This new ball has just 6 identical panels. This ball is actually a cube. The 6 panels correspond to the faces of a cube. Here 3 seams meet at a corner, just like 3 edges meet at the vertex of a cube. Each panel has 4 corners. The angle at each of these corners is 120 degrees. This makes a total of 360 degrees, so the Brazuca does not have a sharp corner, as in the case with the ordinary cube. Reshaping the squares produces the Brazuca. In 2018 FIFA World Cup, Adidas introduced the Telstar 18. Like the Brazuca, Telstar 18 has just 6 panels. However, these panels are shaped differently.